Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you the giveaway prize that I won from Andy McKill of Geaux Big Garage. This is the set that I won. Lego Speed Champions Ferrari F40 Competizione. The set number is 75890. Include this cool t-shirt. He also sent me more Lego items, Fun and Funky VIP add-on pack, and Lunar New Year VIP add-on pack. He sent me this Lego Fleece blanket and this Lego iconic yellow house, and this Lego City race car, and the set number is 60322, and this Lego Creator Tuk Tuk, the set number is 40469. Thank you again, Andy. I'm excited to build these Lego sets and use this Lego Fleece bag. Make sure to check Geaux Big Garage YouTube channel for more awesome Lego contents. Thank you. See you next time again.